Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm Yasir, you are with Deep Clean Tech, and today we are going to be cleaning Acer P645 laptop. So this laptop belongs to one of my very close friends. He is reporting extreme overheating as well as some part of the keyboard is not working. So we need to open it up, clean it up, and also we're going to install new thermal paste in it. I guess the thermal paste is also gone. So now let's just quickly go ahead, grab the tools, grab the gloves, and start cleaning this baby off. Do consider subscribing if you like the video. So let's quickly start by unscrewing all the screw from the bottom. As you can already see the level of dust included inside the fan, this needs to be cleaned. This is why maybe the PC is overheating, because there is so much dust in the fan and maybe in the heatsink. As you can see, the level of dust is just extreme, so we need the gloves. Let me go grab the gloves. This SSD is extremely dirty as well, so we need to clean it as well. Let's put it aside. I thought that these screws are not important, but we need to undo these as well. Ho 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 ho. So as you can see, web has entered. There is so much dirt inside. So let's just keep it aside and examine the motherboard. Wow. That is why this could be the reason of overheating. As you can see, there is extreme dirt inside. It's all clogged up in the heatsink as well. So we need to undo this, and also we're going to see if the thermal paste is okay. Otherwise we're going to replace the thermal paste as well. The owner has reported that this computer runs really slow when he loads any of the heavy applications. So this laptop basically has 4 GB of RAM soldered on board, but it has an expansion slot. So I'll ask if he's going to update the RAM. So we'll put another DDR3 4 GB stick here. So first of all, let's just quickly unplug the battery so nothing gets shorted, and then just unscrew everything, clean this laptop up. And also we have to check the keyboard, so we have to take this motherboard out from the body as well. So let's do it. I'm going to use this art brush as it has finer bristles and it will be much easier to just muck off the dust. So firstly, just like this, we're just gonna clean it off. We're just gonna wipe off some dust which is just resting on it. So now I'm gonna undo all the cables in this board, and then we are going to remove this motherboard from the chassis. This particular motherboard has only 2 screws holding it in place, this one and this one. So we need to unscrew these. This is the display cable that we need to unplug. These latches are quite tricky. You just have to hold the board and just pull it. Now we have to unplug this power cable as well. We cannot remove this board without removing this thing from here. So we need to unscrew this as well. So here's the reason why the PC was overheating. The heatsink is already full with dust, as you can see. So we need to clean this. Firstly, I'll just grab my handy dandy paintbrush and I'll just rub off any of the dust that is accumulated here. Let's just put this aside. So now it's the time for the real culprit. This was the prime reason why it was overheating. We just have to... Wow. As you can see, it has eaten a lot of junk. This has been completely clogging the overall performance of this fan. So we're going to open it up and we're going to clean this fan as well. Wow. Now we have to clean the fan. We'll use the same brush to clean the fins and we'll clean it up. Now it's the time to clean the motherboard as well. We just need to brush it off initially. And I'm going to check if the thermal paste is okay. As you can see, the thermal paste is completely dry and it serves no purpose. So I'm going to clean it and install new thermal paste. So I don't have any kind of blower right now, but I do have a vacuum cleaner which has a blower function. So I'll go out and clean it and then just come back. As you can see, I have cleaned this and it's completely empty now. This will function fine. I'm using isopropyl, 99% isopropyl alcohol to clean everything, and always use a microfiber cloth. I'm gonna use a microfiber cloth to clean the whole PCB and everything inside. Again, I'm going to use my handy dandy toothbrush, as it has no brittle parts, so it will be much easier to clean. This thing is going off, let it go off, it's not in warranty anymore. You can see the dust came out from the grill right here. So let's just quickly fix everything up and move ahead. Bingo! So finally it turned on, and let's see if the fan is making any noise. I don't think. No, I cannot hear anything. And the boot up has been, it's booting like in 2 seconds, which is extremely fast as compared to the previous state. So previously this laptop was consistently working on the 100% utilization in the very beginning, but now as you can see it booted up in like flat 3 seconds and everything is working super fine. So this cleaning job is done. I'm just going to clean it from outside as well. I have my special solution with me to clean it up. After the cleaning, the laptop is working super fine. All the keys are working super nicely. The temperature has gone down by around 10 degrees centigrade, which is a huge improvement. CPU is not thermal throttling anymore, and everything else works really perfect. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did so, then do consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep cleaning stuff.